Hi Internet, as always, here's my Matchbox disclaimer. I am not your attorney unless you have a signed contract and you've paid the applicable fees to my office. Let's talk today a little bit about some steps you can take after a divorce to make sure that you're moving forward with your life and going in the right direction. Having just gone through a divorce can be emotionally challenging, and so it's really important to take some time and to plan so that you can move forward towards a brighter future. Okay, let's talk about it. So first, I've talked about this before, but it is so important to have emotional support. So make sure you're surrounding yourself with supportive network and family and friends. You know how I feel about it, guys. Counseling, therapy, it's fantastic. It'll help you process your emotions and navigate as you move through this new chapter in your life. Number 2, this one comes up all the time. Redo your will and estate plan. The last thing you want to do is have your divorce finalized and then have something happen and your beneficiaries or your power of attorney or your health wishes are not respected because you didn't take time to update your will and estate planning. Number 3, I have also talked about this. Do a financial assessment. Look at what's going on with your budget. Look at your assets, your debts, retirement, property, whatever else has come out of the divorce. Talk to a financial advisor and make a plan to continue forward with financial independence. Next thing, it's not just wills and estates that should be updated. You may have changed your name, so you might need to get a new driver's license. You might need a new passport, social security card. And along with that, you may have to update your financial accounts, bank statements, credit cards, so that your name matches all of your records. In that line, you also should be looking at your insurance policies. That would go along with if you've changed names and your financial circumstances for health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and personal property, renter's home, any kind of insurance, you've really got to take a look at. A lot of my clients have to reassess their housing situation. Are they going to stay in their house? Are they going to sell? Are they going to rent? Are they going to find a friend to rent a room? A lot changes through divorce, and that can really become helpful to assess. Look at your parenting plan. If you have kids, right? Look at all the stuff that you're going to have to address as single parents, as a unit, and hopefully you and your former spouse or former partner can keep the children's best interests in mind. But it's always good to have an understanding of what's in your parenting plan in case any problems come up. Something else to consider is after you finish through a divorce, your friends and your social circle may change, they may not, but make sure you get out there, and I've talked about this too, go for a hike, join groups, do an art painting class, and just make sure that kind of segues into prioritizing some self-care. Invest in activities that are going to promote your mental health, your well-being, physical well-being, meditation. I love that. Exercise, yoga, swimming. That's my new favorite thing right now. And then one of the last things is, if after the divorce you have any other questions related to the divorce, talk to your attorney. I have clients that call me all the time after a divorce process with some follow-up questions. And, I'm always happy to talk to them and try and help them work through any issues that have popped up. A divorce document, it's not a piece of cement or stone. You have to think of it like water. It's fluid, things change, things happen. In most states, custody support, those issues can be changed down the road. So it's just good to have an open dialogue with an attorney that you trust. I hope some of these tips help. You know how I feel. It is a weird world out there. Stay safe and be well.